Inspiration from the picturesque scenery of the small islands in the Aegean Sea. Using gray and white tones, smooth lines outline a delicate sense of hierarchy, making the space more transparent. This is a bathroom vanity with a sense of design. The desktop is made of textured rockboard material, with a seamlessly integrated basin, 2 drawers and 2 grid cabinets at the bottom cabinet to meet various storage needs. This is a siphon toilet, with a large flush of 4.8 liters and a small flush of 3 liters, which is water-saving. The seat cover is made of PP material with slow-down function, so there is no need to worry about noise. The shower head is matte black and its classic style matches the overall style. It is made of high-quality copper material, which is anti-corrosive and anti-rust. This is an acrylic bathtub with silver accessories, which has good heat retention. Its ergonomic curved design relieves fatigue from a whole day.